1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today we're going to learn a flashy beginner's move. Don't worry, we'll show it slowly and you can do it with us. I'm Alexandros with Miss Andrea, and let's get started. We're going to do a basic cross-body lead for the lady. 1, 2, lift up the left hand like a tray, holding a tray, and pass her behind you and make her help you. Change your hands by 7. Let's do it one more time. In. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, switch. Now this might look difficult, but it's not. You're going to go first up and up your palms. That's the trick. Don't try to do it like this. Just twist the palms up with the right hand, go to the left shoulder. Now with the left hand, go to the right shoulder. And now just return left and right. Okay, now we have 5, 6, 7. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, past the lady, close the lady to a half a turn, and that brings us to Titanic. Usually here the lady goes a simple right turn. Here, it's not hard. We're going to complicate the hands a little bit. Keep them connected, hold with both, and ladies, don't let go of your guy. It looks a little bit difficult, but it's not. Now, easy progressional turns. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now a little bit of Cupid handwork, over the head, round the world, to place the hands on your shoulder. Let's see that to music.